Hi, my name is Radiance, and I'm here to guide you through a liberating and resilient chair yoga flow today. First, we are going to start with a little bit of breath work. So I want you to make sure that you're grounded into your chair, your spine nice and tall, maybe raising one hip and the other just to get anchored where you're at. Bringing your hands down on your knees, but with your palms facing up in a receiving position. Closing your eyes, relaxing your shoulders, take a deep inhale in. Exhale, release. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Last one, best one. Inhale. Exhale. Feeling the lightness come over your body. Slowly bring your hands out to a nice mountain pose. Energetic fingers. Bring your hands up. Inhale. Exhale, bringing it to your heart. Inhale, rise. Exhale, splitting it, bringing your right hand back behind you. Lengthening your spine, and on your exhale, finding expansion by leaning and looking back. Inhale back towards the middle. Exhale, opposite side. Inhaling to lengthen, exhaling to expand. Even taking that knee to create some resistance here. Inhale back in the middle. Exhale, forward fold all the way down, bringing your chest to your thighs. Bring your hands out a little wide, coming on your tippy fingers, I like to say. Letting that head hang. Shake it yes, or shake it no. Inhale, lengthen up your head, still on your chest. Exhale, release. Inhale, rise. Exhale, release. One more inhale, rise. And when you rise, lifting up vertebrae by vertebrae. Opening your hands out to the side. Even as we prepare our arms as we go into warriors, but not just yet. Twisting your wrists and your palms facing up. And then exhale down, or palms facing back. Inhale, rise. Exhale, back. Inhale, rise. And on the exhale, shifting over towards your left. Seeing if you can touch the ground without your foot coming down. So seeing if you can keep it down. Exhale. Coming over to the opposite side. Finding length here. Inhaling up and then exhaling down. One more time each side. Finding courage, freedom, open heart, open chest. Coming back up, both hands up. Exhale, bringing your hands at your heart. Now we're going to take our hands to bring them back down. So I want you to scoot to the edge of your seat as we will continue to open up our hips. We want to make sure that we have some space. Just get cozy and comfortable where you're at. Your feet still on the ground, but I want you to bring your hands on your chair. Inhale, your hips up on the ground. Bring your shoulders back as magnets, belly button to your spine. Exhale, sit down a little bit. Inhale, rise. Exhale, release. Inhale, rise, lifting here. Maybe you're exploring one leg and the other. Finding some hip mobility. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Exhale, release. Now coming over towards your left side, bringing your left foot 90-degree angle here, bringing your right foot down. And so here we're kind of in like a nice low lunge. Your pelvis forward, your right hip back. Inhale, your arms forward. Exhale, open them up as if the world is in your hands, opening your back. Inhale, we rise. Exhale, open. Inhale, rise. And on the exhale, you open. I want you to lengthen that back leg and open out into a warrior two. We're still on the edge of our seat, so feel free to kind of wiggle your way. It might seem a little bit uncomfortable, but find the discomfort and befriend it. Take a nice breath in. Exhale, reach forward, feeling the length here. And then coming back for a nice reverse warrior in your chair. Big breath in. Exhale, releasing over to a side angle. Holding here. Inhale. Exhale, reverse. Inhale here. Exhale. I want you to reverse, bringing that left arm on the outside of that and give me a nice twist. Looking up at your thumb, and when you see your thumb, give yourself a thumbs up. You're doing a great job. Good job. Cartwheel that hand down. And then walk your hands and your feet kind of heel-toeing back into the middle. So now we're in a wide-legged forward bend here. So inhale, head up, chest up, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Maybe you're even lengthening out with your elbows or your knees here. Take a breath in. And on the exhale, slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, finding yourself back up with your hands on your knees. Inhale in here. Exhale, slowly bringing that shoulder, that right shoulder over the left. Inhale, back into the middle. Ooh, left shoulder over the right. What is happening here? What sensations do you feel within your hips? Finding that twist, opening up that power system. Coming back neutral, inhale, arms back into the sky. Exhale, releasing out towards the side. Look over towards that right hand and go ahead and bend that leg out. So we're gonna come in kind of like a reverse way here. So we're gonna start with our warrior two. So inhale here. Exhale, feel the hip opening. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, reverse. Inhale, cartwheeling your hands all the way over for a nice low lunge. Breath in. Exhale, reverse. Coming back over. Finding some fluidity. When we are fluid and not rigid, we're able to live a life more freely, more liberated, more resilient. And when you're done with the next one, go ahead and cartwheel your hand all the way down, giving yourself a nice side twist, looking up at your thumb and give yourself a nice thumbs up. You're doing a great job. Cartwheel your hand back down, bringing that left knee in a nice 90-degree angle. The right knee kind of right here, so we're in a nice little low lunge. Bring yourself up to the sky, pressing that left hip forward, right hip back here. I want you to inhale your hands forward. Exhale, the world is in your hands. Inhale, rise. Exhale, world is in your hands. Inhale, rise. Exhale, the world is in your hands. Inhale, we rise and we shift back forward. Opening up, maybe lifting on the tippy toes of each leg with our hands up top, feeling the sensations in our hips. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, open, 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 coming all the way down to a Tadasana with your hands. Heel toe your feet together, lifting up on each one. Bring your hands up to the sky. Exhale, bringing them at your heart center. My name is Radiance Space, and thank you for flowing with me today, creating some space, opening up your hips, hydrating your spine, and letting your body know that you're here, you care, and you appreciate it. I want you to have a day divine because you deserve it, and make sure to stay hydrated. Have a beautiful day.